Hello all, this is yet another tip on Excel which is going to make your work much easier compared to what you're doing today. So at some point of time, every one of us would have got into a situation where you have a data which is similar to that on the screen, wherein you have a person's name, first name and last name, and you will have to split up into two, first name and then last name, or it could be another case where you have the email address and you need to pick out the names, the first name and last name alone. So how do we do it normally? uh, mm, Almost 90% of us would start looking into the name and then start typing it manually, but this option that I'm going to tell you now is really going to make your life easy. So let's see how we are going to do it. So I'm just typing it just for the first row alone. I'm just typing it manually, and once you do that, what you're going to do is just watch carefully. So I'm going to select all the cells all the way to the bottom. So many of us would have been using the shortcut Control D. If you do that, it will automatically copy the data from the first cell till the last cell you have selected. But instead, what we are going to do now is use the shortcut Control E. See what happens now. And similarly, for the next row, again I'm going to give Control E. So there it is. So you have what you need. The name is split into first name and last name. This is right. So next thing is we are going to apply the same logic for the email address. You would be wondering whether it would work for the email address. uh, just watch, it will work. So same logic, I'm typing in manually for the first cell now. So I'm going to I'm going to select the entire cells again. Control E. Same logic for this column. Control E, and there it is. I hope this video would have been helpful. So just remember the shortcut. It's Control E. All you need to do is manually split in the data for the first row alone, and then select the entire row that you need the data to be copied, and then use the shortcut Control D.